Out with the old and in with the new. Let's make this heart coffee filter wreath. I used a pull noodle and wire hangers to make the shape of the heart. Shape and attach them together. Use some tape to secure it together. Place your marker in the center of your filter, dab some glue on the bottom, and then place it on the side of your noodle. And then I go back and forth on each side of my first coffee filter just to give it some time to cool off so that it stays in place. Then when I'm done with the outer edge, I start the inner edge. And then I just fill it in. I have maybe 3 to 4 rows in between my first 2 rows. Now it's time to make the loop, so I just grab my scissors and make a hole and stick my hot glue gun in there. Stick the loop in there, secure it, and give it time to dry. And now it's time to trim your wreath. Make sure that it's all smooth on the side. Michael's had the cutest Valentine ribbons, and then I went to Hobby Lobby to get these regular ribbons that I think will go great together. And then I just measured them all out. I think it's around 60 inches each. Place them in order, however you like. Find the center of the ribbons. And then tie a knot. And attach your hook. Cut the ends, and then you're gonna wanna fluff them. You can put them in 2 different ways, on the top or underneath or the center. And there you go. So pretty, I love it. I can't wait to see how yours turns out.